All right, second skill, apply basic exponent rules. I'm going to go through a couple of these, not all of them. There's quite a few, so we're just going to do a couple together. So this first one, I don't think I need my calculator anymore. Let's see. I'm going to take this squared. I need to distribute, essentially, to everything in those parentheses. So 6y to the 5th times 3 squared, and then y cubed times 2. So this makes 6y to the 5th times 9y to the 6th. If you can combine them together just like they are, great. If not, remember we can split them all up so that we can identify what I called like terms. They're not totally like terms, but that's just how I like to think of them. So I've got the 6 times 9 is 54. If you don't know that, remember it is a calculator test. Use it. And then we have 5 y's and 2 y's. So that'll make y to the 7th is our answer. The second one is similar. Let's go to this next one. We've got these negative exponents. And let's see what that does. We're going to combine everything together first before dealing with the negative exponents. So I have x to the negative 3 times y to the negative 3 times 3 times x squared times y to the 4th. I'm going to go through, identify my like terms. And 3 is just by itself. Okay, so 3, then we have x to the negative 3 times x squared. So that's negative 3 plus 2. And then y, oh, this pen's dying too. Okay. Let's see, disconnect my pen. Nope. Okay. Got to write with my finger. Okay, so y negative 3 plus 4. 3x to the negative 1, y to the first. This negative 1, I don't like negative exponents. It just means it needs to move to the bottom in our fraction. So it'll be 3y to the first over x to the first. You can get rid of the exponent of 1 if it makes you happy and just have 3y over or divided by x. All right, let's see. This one. We have a bigger number in the bottom. So I can write this out as x times x times x over x 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I can go through and cancel. And I can see that, oh, I've got 1 over x squared. If you don't want to write it out, if your numbers are too big at any point and you don't want to list out, I don't know, like 27 x's, we can move our exponent towards the bigger one. So I'm moving the 3 to the bigger one. I subtract 3, subtract 3. I have x to the 0 over x squared. X to the 0 power. Anything to the 0 power is 1. And then x squared is just x squared. So there's our answer. I think that's all I'm going to go over. I will post an answer key so you can check your answers on the rest of them. But I'm just going to go over those 3 to keep the video short.